Who's there? Hi, welcome to Nai's Kitchen. Welcome back. We continue with our soup series. Today we're making potato soup. Let me take you through what we're gonna make today. We have 6 potatoes, right? 1 carrot, 1 leek, and 1 onion. That's the main ingredients that we're gonna use. What I'm gonna do now, then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna peel and cut all those vegetables up, all right? And we're gonna come back just now. Okay, guys, welcome back. As you can see, I've done all the peeling and cutting with my co-assistant. Yes, that's all done. What I'm gonna add in, this is butter to fry the onions, some mixed herbs, and chicken stock. We've got it in cubes, yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna break it up and just dissolve the chicken stock quickly. Okay, and add some boiling water in it. Okay, gonna add the butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. If you want to use olive oil, you're more than welcome. If you want to use sunflower oil, canola oil, you're more than welcome to use that. Okay. The onions. Now we're gonna add the rest of the other vegetables in. Give it a twirl. And this is one of Nai's Kitchen products, Spice Fusion. And I add a teaspoon of it. It's too spicy, so the girls have warned me already to not put too much in. So in the Spice Fusion is your garlic, your ginger, coriander, as well some chilies. And it's all mixed up with some olive oil. So now we're gonna add the chicken stock. And we're gonna put 1 liter of water until all the vegetables are covered. And we're gonna leave it to boil. Add our mixed herbs and just a dash of salt. Mix it up together. All our veggies are nice and soft. This is how it should look. And then we blend it all. All nice and smooth. If there's still chunks, it's also nice. 1 cup, 250 ml of cream. Mix it all up. Just nice. Dash cream on top. We garnish it with some herbs. And those herbs actually came out of our garden. And we add our sandwiches. The family can enjoy. Girls,
This is delicious.
more than delicious.
What is it? Divine. Exquisite. Yes, guys, this was lovely. You should tell us how yours came out, but that's all from us. Yeah. Bye.